Imagine a flash of gold across the African plains. That's a cheetah, the fastest animal on Earth. This incredible creature can reach speeds of 70 miles per hour. That's faster than a car on a highway. Cheetahs are amazing hunters, built for speed and agility. They are a marvel of nature, perfectly adapted to their environment. But cheetahs are more than just speed machines. They are also graceful and elegant animals with a fascinating social structure. Sadly, these beautiful creatures are facing growing threats to their survival. Their populations are declining, and it's up to us to help protect them. Cheetahs are perfectly designed for speed. Their slender bodies are lightweight and aerodynamic. Long, powerful legs propel them forward with incredible force. Their flexible spine allows them to stretch out and cover vast distances with each stride. Every part of their body, from their small head to their long tail, contributes to their remarkable speed. Their tail acts as a rudder, helping them to balance and make sharp turns while pursuing prey. Even their claws are unique. Unlike other cats, cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that grip the ground like running spikes, providing incredible traction. Cheetahs are easily recognizable by their distinctive spotted coats. These spots aren't just for show. They provide excellent camouflage in the dappled light of the grasslands, allowing cheetahs to blend in with their surroundings. This is especially important when they are stalking prey. Each cheetah's spot pattern is unique, much like a human fingerprint. This helps researchers to identify individuals in the wild and track their movements. Their faces also have distinctive black tear marks that run from the corner of their eyes down to their mouths. These marks may help to reduce glare from the sun, improving their vision while hunting. Life on the African savanna is a constant cycle of hunting and being hunted. Cheetahs are diurnal animals, meaning they are most active during the day. They use their incredible speed to chase down their prey, which includes gazelles, impalas, and other small to medium-sized antelopes. Cheetahs are solitary hunters, relying on their speed and stealth to catch their meals. They stalk their prey silently, getting as close as possible before launching into a breathtaking chase. Section 5. Masters of the Chase, the Thrill of the Hunt. The cheetah's hunting strategy is a marvel of nature. It's a combination of raw speed, agility, and cunning. Unlike lions or leopards that rely on strength and power, the cheetah's hunting style is all about outmaneuvering its prey. A chase usually lasts less than a minute. The cheetah uses its tail for balance, making quick turns and adjustments as it pursues its prey at incredible speeds. If successful, the cheetah will trip its prey with a swift swipe of its paw, then suffocate it with a bite to the throat. Section 6. A Family Affair. Cheetah Mothers and Cubs. In the vast savannas and open plains of Africa, the bond between a cheetah mother and her cubs is a remarkable testament to the strength and resilience of these magnificent creatures. Female cheetahs typically give birth to a litter of 2 to 8 cubs. These tiny, fragile beings are born blind and helpless, weighing just around 250 to 300 grams. The first few weeks of their lives are critical, as they are entirely dependent on their mother for nourishment and protection. These cubs are incredibly vulnerable and rely entirely on their mother for survival. The mother cheetah must be constantly vigilant, as the dangers in the wild are numerous. She must find food while ensuring her cubs remain hidden from predators. The mother cheetah is a fierce protector, defending her cubs from predators like lions, leopards, and hyenas. She uses her speed and agility to distract and lead threats away from her young, often putting herself in great danger to ensure their safety. Cheetah cubs are born with a distinctive mantle of long, fluffy hair on their backs. This mantle not only provides some protection from the elements, but also plays a crucial role in their survival strategy. This mantle helps to camouflage them in the grass, and may also make them look larger to potential predators. The coloration and texture of their fur blend seamlessly with the dry grasses of their habitat, making it difficult for predators to spot them. The cubs will stay with their mother for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills like hunting and avoiding danger. During this time, the mother cheetah teaches them how to stalk and chase prey, honing their speed and agility. She also shows them how to recognize and evade threats, ensuring they are well prepared for the challenges of life in the wild. This period of learning and growth is crucial, as only a small percentage of cheetah cubs survive to adulthood. The bond between the mother and her cubs is not just one of necessity but also of deep affection and dedication, a true family affair in the heart of the savannah. Section 7. A world of grasslands, the cheetah's shrinking habitat. Cheetahs are found primarily in the grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands of Africa. These habitats provide the perfect hunting grounds for these speedsters, with wide open spaces and plenty of prey. However, these habitats are facing increasing pressure from human activities. As human populations grow, so does the demand for land. Agriculture, mining, and urban development are encroaching on cheetah habitat, fragmenting their populations and making it more difficult for them to survive. Section 8. Challenges in the wild facing threats to survival. Sadly, cheetahs are facing a number of threats to their survival. Habitat loss is a major concern, as is human-wildlife conflict. Cheetahs sometimes prey on livestock, which can lead to retaliation from farmers. The illegal wildlife trade also poses a significant threat. Cheetah cubs are highly sought after as pets, and their body parts are sometimes used in traditional medicine. These activities are pushing cheetahs closer to the brink of extinction. Section 9. Guardians of the cheetah conservation efforts and their importance. Thankfully, there are people working tirelessly to protect cheetahs. Conservation organizations are working with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflict, protect cheetah habitat, and raise awareness about the plight of these magnificent creatures. These efforts include establishing protected areas, anti-poaching patrols, and community outreach programs. Education is key to fostering coexistence between humans and cheetahs. By understanding the importance of cheetahs to the ecosystem and the threats they face, we can all play a role in their conservation. Section 10. The future of the fastest. Our shared responsibility. The future of the cheetah hangs in the balance. These magnificent creatures, known for their unparalleled speed and grace, are facing numerous threats that jeopardize their existence. From habitat loss to human-wildlife conflict, the challenges are immense. Their survival depends on our collective action to protect them and their habitat. Conservationists, rangers, and local communities are working tirelessly to create safe spaces for cheetahs to thrive, but they cannot do it alone. It's a race against time, but there is still hope. By supporting conservation efforts, we can make a significant difference. This includes funding anti-poaching initiatives, creating wildlife corridors, and implementing sustainable land use practices. Reducing our impact on their environment and spreading awareness about the plight of the cheetah are crucial steps. Educational programs and community outreach can help foster a deeper understanding and appreciation for these animals. We can help ensure that these incredible creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a larger effort to save the cheetah. We must remember that cheetahs play a vital role in their ecosystem. As apex predators, they are essential in maintaining the balance of their environment. Their hunting activities help control the populations of herbivores, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. They help to keep prey populations in check, ensuring that no single species dominates the landscape. This balance is crucial for the health of the entire ecosystem, which in turn maintains a healthy balance in the food chain. A thriving cheetah population is indicative of a well-functioning ecosystem, where various species coexist in harmony. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. By protecting cheetahs, we are also safeguarding the myriad of other species that share their habitat. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that the fastest animal on land continues to run free in the wild. Section 11. A call to action, how you can help. Cheetahs are one of the most iconic and majestic creatures on our planet, but they are facing numerous threats that endanger their survival. From habitat loss to human-wildlife conflict, the challenges are immense. However, there is hope, and you can be a part of the solution. You don't have to be a wildlife expert to make a difference. Every individual has the power to contribute to cheetah conservation in meaningful ways. Whether you have a lot of time to dedicate or just a few moments, your efforts can help create a safer world for these incredible animals. There are many ways to get involved in cheetah conservation. Volunteering with local wildlife organizations is a great way to get hands-on experience and make a direct impact. These organizations often need help with various tasks, from field research to community outreach. You can support organizations working to protect cheetahs by donating funds or resources. Financial contributions help fund critical research, anti-poaching efforts, and habitat restoration projects. Even small donations can add up to make a significant difference. Spread awareness about their plight on social media. Use your platforms to share information about cheetahs, their struggles, and the efforts being made to save them. The more people know, the more support these conservation initiatives will receive. Educate others about the importance of conservation. Host or participate in community events, give presentations, or simply talk to friends and family about why cheetah conservation matters. Education is a powerful tool in changing attitudes and behaviors. Even small actions can have a big impact. Simple activities like planting trees, cleaning up litter, or participating in local conservation projects can help create a healthier environment for cheetahs and other wildlife. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, such as using eco-friendly products, reducing waste, and recycling, we can lessen our environmental footprint. These actions contribute to a more sustainable world where cheetahs and other species can thrive. We can also support renewable energy initiatives and sustainable practices in our communities. Installing solar panels, biking instead of driving, and supporting local conservation efforts are all ways to make a positive impact. Let's work together to ensure that the fastest animal on Earth continues to thrive in the wild. Our collective efforts can help secure a future where cheetahs roam freely and their populations are stable. Join the movement and be a part of the change.